Hello, welcome back to Toyota and Dodge Garage. Y'all have spoken. On my Instagram, I asked what type of video you would like to see Hank on a walk, or vinyl wrapping some interior panels, or what upgrades I've done to the Corolla, which it is sitting right now because you can see I'm on a knee scooter and I have a cast on right there. So that's why I haven't been putting out too many videos. Check out some of the other videos of the Corolla. I'll be making a playlist with what I've done to it, but this is just going to be me talking about what I've done and showing you what I've done to it. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, so I'll start with the exterior. I basically got this car for free. I mean, it was a really good deal. I couldn't pass it up. Ran good, but the only big issue was it needed a clutch. So I did get a LUK clutch put in this. Had Messer Transmission do that. Best transmission shop in Raleigh. And also got a fog light, well, two fog light assemblies because one was missing, and new headlight assemblies. Got that grille, which is the Altus grille, from the junkyard. Also got some headlight eyelids, but I haven't put those on yet. And also a window seal. There's a video on how to replace that. Got the hood painted, roof painted, and trunk painted. Let me try to roll over there. So thank you to NC Hoonigan. Check out his YouTube channel for drift events and awesome skid action with a 302, which will be a bigger engine in it soon, so maybe he'll do some videos on that, so y'all stay tuned and watch his channel. But he helped me a lot with prepping and painting the hood, and we roll painted the roof. We did use rustolium, and you can see the clear coat on this is not good, so probably just gonna leave that. I may or may not vinyl wrap it, but who knows. The spoiler was about to fall off because Toyota has like plastic clips and then one bolt in the back of these spoilers, so you would push down on the back and it would pop this part up out of the trunk. So what I did, you can watch the YouTube videos on that. I'll put that in the playlist, but I drilled a hole in the trunk, drilled a hole in the spoiler, and used anchors that you put in and then they pop out and pull down, and it secures the spoiler to the trunk. So this spoiler, it's not going to be going anywhere. And also added these cool decals. Got those from Etsy, so I'll try to put that link in there. And then we also ended up painting the wheels because they were peeling really bad. The upgrade that I probably like the best for safety is lasfit LED bulbs. So also have reverse lights, but can't really show you that right now. Let me roll around to the front. Also did the interior lights, the dome light, and the headlights. Got lasfit headlights and the running lights, which they stay white, as you can see right there. And then when you turn the flashers on, they blink orange and white. Then the fog lights are really cool because you turn your fog lights off and on, it'll switch these to the LED white color or the yellow color for fog or rain. Now I'll show you the interior upgrades that I've done. And in the back, it looks like a mouse had chewed the original back seat. Probably a mouse was in it when I towed it to the transmission shop. But they had chewed a hole, like right by the seatbelt area. So I did end up getting a seat bottom from LKQ junkyard for really cheap. So that was a must. And I still need to do a deep cleaning in this car. But obviously I had my ankle fusion surgery, so that's not going to be happening for a while. The chrome door handles were peeling really bad, so I went ahead and got these off Amazon for like 14 bucks. a whole set of 4. So I did all those all the way around. Looks better, and you won't be cutting your hands on that chrome that was peeling off. And we'll get into the driver area. So yeah, the window seal that was replaced is this main one right here. Open up this door. So there's the black front door handles. And also got this steering wheel decal off of Etsy for like really cheap. And this TRD shift knob with that decal. Now I made the shift gate myself, so this is custom. Cut out some hard plastic material. Had some leftover vinyl fabric from my RAM charger, so I cut a piece in a square and cut it in different lines to get that. And then I just put this in. You'll probably see that video, but got that off of Etsy for about 20 bucks. That used to have a door on it, like the door below it, but I don't like the door. I like the little pocket area. You can put your phone or little gadgets, but the gentleman that made this put a lip on it so stuff won't fall out. So that's a pretty nice upgrade. The stereo was already in it. Still thinking about getting one. It's a full screen with navigation and a backup camera possibly, but who knows. Then I got the Scion TC armrest. It's got the double storage. Let's see if I can show you. So you got this top part, and you got the regular part. And might be ordering some Toyota Celica GT like silver pedals, a little more sporty. Not sure yet if I'm gonna do that, but we'll see. But bought it with about 221,000 miles on it. Had no issues out of this. Did do a valve cover gasket on it, and now it's got a little over 224,000 miles on it. But still would like to get this thing shampooed, cleaned. You can see the seats are pretty dirty, so hopefully I can get to that maybe next summer, because got this ankle fusion done, and I'm gonna be getting my left foot done as well, but it's gonna be a long recovery. Well, while I'm down here, since it's been sitting a while, might as well crank it, keep the battery going. I don't have a battery tender on it, so I slid the seat all the way back, and careful not to put any weight on my foot here. I'm just gonna swing it over that, and then just put the clutch in here. And we'll crank it up. Fired right up. So you gotta let it run before you take your foot off the clutch. Make sure you're in neutral, everybody. Then you can release the clutch. I don't know if you can see the mosquito flying around in here, but it's bad today. The mosquitoes are out. And oh, also I did do a sun strip. Thank you to a friend for doing that. I appreciate that. And had to replace some of these dash light bulbs as well. So I had this ankle fusion done May 8th, about 6 weeks ago. And I have a condition called Charcot-Marie tooth. If you don't know about it, check it out. I might put a link up. CMTA, I believe, is the website, but I'll put the link in there. It's basically muscle weakness and neuropathy. The protective coating, the myelin sheath on the nerves, deteriorates, so therefore your brain is sending the signal to your muscles to contract and work, but it doesn't make it all the way there. It's like a short circuit. So I was diagnosed with that like 2009. I did have it since I was born. It is hereditary, so my dad and aunt have it, but it's not life-threatening. It's more of just a nuisance. But you know, I was tired of my ankles rolling, not being able to do what I used to be able to do, and just decided to go for it, you know. So I had the surgery done May 8th, and they did a tibio-conial arthrodesis fusion, so the hind foot and midfoot fusion. Put a big rod, like about 8.5-inch rod, up into my tibia through the heel to just lock my ankle. Not in any pain now. First week was pretty hard, but after the first week, my pain level went down pretty good, tolerable with like Tylenol. But about 8 weeks, I should get this cast off. They put like a soft splint on it for the first 2 weeks. Then I went back, got a hard cast for 2 weeks, went back again. Now I'm in this other one for 3 weeks, and I go back on the 25th of June to get a air cast or air boot. And depending on the x-rays, I may or may not be able to put weight on it. So we'll have to see. But we are getting close to the next step in this journey of recovery. So pretty excited about it. Not to have an ankle that's gonna roll, especially like if you walk on gravel. Definitely couldn't walk on sand. So I'm pretty stoked to try it out. And if it is nice, I enjoy it, I like it, I like what has been done, then I will probably get the left foot done as well. Just stay tuned for more updates on my recovery process, and maybe some more upgrades to the Corolla. I don't know, but not able to do much right now. So basically staying in the house, watching TV, watching YouTube, movies, video games, eating, sleeping, you know. So can't wait to get back to you know, working and living life again. So we'll just stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you for your support. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe. I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So share, hit the notification button, and also message me on Instagram, or just put a comment down, you know, what else you might like to see, or if you'd like to know more about Charcot-Marie Tooth, or the procedure that was done. So just let me know. Thanks.